this video, we will demonstrate how to access and replace the microswitches. This is a view of the front of the control valve. In order to access the display board, we will need to view the back side of the power head cover. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are located in each corner of the power head. The front display cover will then easily tilt forward and away from the power head housing. Please keep in mind that there is a limited slack for the wires connected to the front display board. Then carefully wiggle and detach the multi-pin connectors from the display board. The first being the white drive motor connector, followed by the red power connector, followed by the white meter cable connection, and finally the microswitch connection, and then set the display cover aside. Next, remove the 2 long screws holding the microswitches in place. Detach the wire connections from the microswitch or switches that needs to be replaced. It could be one or the other or even both. Then attach the wire connections to the push-on metal tabs of the new microswitches. As you are doing so, be sure to connect each wire to the correct corresponding push-on metal tab of the microswitch. Then place the microswitches back into position and secure them using the 2 long screws. Next, connect the multi-pin connectors to the replacement display board while keeping in mind that the connectors are color-coded and keyed to fit in only one orientation. Then reposition the front cover back into place, and while holding the front cover in position, use the crosshead screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws. You have now successfully replaced the microswitch or switches.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.